Welcome to GoLogica. Today, we discuss generative AI training, a cutting-edge program designed to equip learners with the skills to develop, train, and deploy generative artificial intelligence models. Roadmap. About the course. Prerequisites. Eligibility criteria. Salaries, roles, and responsibilities. Conclusion. We discuss about the course. Generative AI is a rapidly evolving field that focuses on creating artificial intelligence models capable of generating human-like text, images, music, code, and more. The Generative AI course provides a comprehensive understanding of the underlying principles, techniques, and applications of AI-driven content generation. The course typically begins with an introduction to machine learning and deep learning, covering foundational concepts like neural networks, transformers, and probabilistic models. Students learn about key architectures such as generative adversarial networks, GANs, and variational autoencoders, VAEs, which are widely used in image and video generation. The course also explores large language models, LLMs, like GPT and BERT, which power AI-generated text and chatbots. Hands-on projects often include training models to generate art, write essays, compose music, or even create synthetic data. Ethical considerations, including biases in AI and responsible use, are also discussed. In this course, students gain practical experience in using frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and OpenAI's APIs, preparing them for careers in AI research, software development, and creative industries. This course is ideal for data scientists, engineers, and anyone interested in harnessing AI's potential to drive innovation. Now we discuss the prerequisites for generative AI training. To complete the generative AI training, the following knowledge and skills are recommended. Basic programming skills in Python, as it is the primary language used for AI development. Understanding of statistics, probability, and linear algebra. Familiarity with deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Basic knowledge of neural networks and machine learning concepts. Curiosity and enthusiasm to explore advanced AI techniques. Here we can discuss the eligibility criteria. This course is suitable for AI enthusiasts, individuals passionate about artificial intelligence and looking to specialize in generative AI. Data scientists and machine learning engineers, professionals seeking to enhance their expertise in deep learning and generative models. Software developers and engineers, those interested in building AI-powered applications using generative AI techniques. Full-stack developers, developers aiming to integrate AI-driven content generation into web and mobile applications. Business and technology leaders, decision-makers looking to implement generative AI solutions in their industries. Now we discuss important part of the generative AI salaries, roles, and responsibilities in generative AI. Generative AI is transforming industries by creating new forms of content, optimizing processes, and enhancing human creativity. Here are some key salaries, roles, and responsibilities. Generative AI engineer develops and optimizes generative models for applications like text and image generation. In this field, people can earn $130,000, $170,000 per annum. Machine learning engineer designs and implements deep learning models that leverage generative AI techniques. In this typical role, we can earn $110,000, $150,000 per annum. AI research scientist conducts research to enhance existing generative AI models and explore new methodologies. In this sector, professionals' average salary is $140,000, $180,000 per annum. Data scientist uses generative models to analyze and generate synthetic data for training AI systems. The average salary ranges from $100,000 to $140,000 per annum. Natural language processing, NLP, engineer develops AI systems for text generation, summarization, and conversational agents. In 2025, statistics show the average salary ranges from $115,000 to $155,000 per annum. Computer vision engineer implements generative models for image synthesis, super resolution, and style transfer. and the average salary is $110,000 to $150,000 per annum. AI Product Manager oversees the development and deployment of generative AI-powered products and can earn $130,000 to $175,000 per annum. Creative AI Developer works on AI-driven art, music composition, and video generation. In this field, developers' average salary is $100,000 to $135,000 per annum. AI Solutions Architect designs AI-powered solutions integrating generative models for business applications. The average salary is $125,000 to $165,000 per annum. Deep Learning Engineer trains and fine-tunes generative models to improve their performance and accuracy, and the average salary is $120,000 to $160,000 per year. Salaries in the field of generative AI are competitive, reflecting the demand for specialized skills. The above salaries depend upon their location, experience, and skills.
Conclusion. The Generative AI Training Module is an extensive program designed to equip learners with the skills required to build, train, and deploy cutting-edge AI models. This course begins with an introduction to generative AI, covering key concepts, history, and the evolution of AI-driven content generation. Learners then explore the foundations of deep learning, including neural networks, backpropagation, optimization techniques, and transfer learning. The course delves into models and architectures, such as variational autoencoders, VAEs, generative adversarial networks, transformers, and diffusion models, which are essential for text, image, and speech generation. It includes specialized modules on text generation and natural language processing, NLP, focusing on large language models like GPT, BERT, and T5. Additionally, image and video synthesis covers AI-generated art, deepfakes technology, and animation, while speech and audio generation explores voice synthesis and music composition using AI. Learners also gain hands-on experience in practical applications across various industries, such as healthcare, finance, gaming, and automation. The training includes fine-tuning and model deployment, ensuring AI models perform efficiently in real-world scenarios. Key topics like big data, cloud computing, and distributed AI training enable scalable AI solutions. The course culminates in a capstone project, applying skills to solve real-world challenges while addressing ethical considerations and AI governance.
The training provides expert-led sessions, hands-on projects, and real-world case studies. The program includes certification upon completion, resume building support, and interview preparation. Learners will gain in-depth knowledge of AI frameworks and develop job-ready skills for roles in AI and deep learning. Whether you are looking to advance your career or explore innovative AI applications, this course equips you with cutting-edge skills to succeed. Enroll today and take the first step toward mastering generative AI.